Good morning, class 10th. I welcome you all again in the social science session. As you all know that your pre-board exams are postponed due to the government's order. So, till the further orders, we have to again revise our syllabus. It's, I think, good for all of us that we get time to revise more. So again, we will start with the geography's lesson number 1, resources and development. What we have started earlier before the pre-board. We have covered the 2 topics of this chapter. Development of resources, this is the topic number 2 of this chapter, and resources and its classification was the topic 1. Today we will study the resource planning in India and conservation of resources. Conservation means to conserve something, किसी चीज को संभाल के रखना. Resource planning, you have seen the planning in your day-to-day life also. When you are preparing for your exams, for your periodic or for your term exams, you plan how you will make revision or how you will do the preparation. You always make a planning. So here also we should make a resource planning in India, and how it should make we will see in this topic, and conservation of resources, and how can we conserve the resources. Let's study. Resource planning is a widely accepted strategy for judicious use of resources. Judicious and wise use, मतलब अक्लमंदी से अगर हम यूज करें, करना चाहिए. वो कह रहे हैं रिसोर्स प्लानिंग एक ऐसा टॉपिक है जो वाइडली एक्सेप्ट किया गया है. मतलब हर कोई ये मानता है कि हमें रिसोर्स प्लानिंग करनी चाहिए और रिसोर्सेज को जुडिशली यूज करना चाहिए. It is a complex process which involves 3 steps. It is a very complex. It's not an easy process. It is a complex, means a little bit difficult process, and it involves 3 steps. Let's see the steps. Resources are important for any developmental activity because resources are very important for any development activity. For any development, we need resource. India has made enormous efforts for conservation of resources, and our country India has made enormous means many, several efforts for conservation. Conservation means to save, to stock, to secure of conservation of resources. Now let's discuss the question answers. What is resource planning? Now what do you mean by the term resource planning? Resource planning is a widely accepted strategy for judicious use of resources. Which states of India are rich in minerals and coal deposits? This is an important question for your math work also. Which states of India are rich in minerals and coal deposits? The states of Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh and Madhya Pradesh are rich in minerals and deposits, coal deposits. Which state of India is very well endowed with solar and wind energy but lacks in water resources? Now this state is very well endowed with solar and wind energy. We can find plenty of solar and wind energy here in this state but lacks in water resources. But this state lacks in water resources. I know you are well aware of this state. This is Rajasthan. Rajasthan is the state which lacks in water resource. What does the cold desert of Ladakh lack in? Now cold desert of Ladakh, which place is known as cold desert? Ladakh is known as cold desert, and which it is lack of. Cold desert of Ladakh lacks in water, infrastructure in some vital minerals, and there Ladakh lacks in water, infrastructure and some vital minerals because this is the coldest region of India. So it lacks in water, infrastructure and some vital minerals. What according to Mahatma Gandhi are the root cause for resource depletion at the global level? Depletion means degradation, downfall of something. तो वो कह रहे हैं कि रूट कॉज, मेन कॉज क्या है कि जो हमारा रिसोर्स है वो डिप्लीशन हो रहा है ग्लोबल लेवल पे, नॉट ओनली इन इंडिया लेवल, एट बल्कि ग्लोबल लेवल पे. According to Mahatma Gandhi, the greedy and selfish individuals and exploitative nature of modern technology are the root causes for resource depletion at the global level. See, students, this question may come in 1 mark, 3 mark, and 5 mark question. If it will come in the 1 mark question, you have to write only 1 or 2 sentences in its answer. But if will come in the 3 mark question, then you have to explain these main points, like greedy and selfish individuals. You will explain this point individually, separately. Exploitative nature of modern technology, you will explain it differently. And the overuse of resources, you can say, you can define this point differently. So you have to see the question is in 1 mark, 3 mark or 5 mark, because one 4 mark question will also come from this year, that is a source based question, and in that question one paragraph from your book, or seen or unseen maybe, will come in your exam, and some 3 or 4 questions will make from that paragraph, and you have to answer the questions of answers of those questions, and that is objective based questions. So when I will take your Zoom class, in that Zoom class I will discuss the format of your question paper. So, according to Mahatma Gandhi, the greedy and selfish individuals and exploitative nature of modern technology. Exploitative nature of modern technology means the technology we are using today is of exploitative nature. Exploit means वो जो technology हम use करते हैं वो exploit करती है हमें. तो जब हमें exploit करेगी तो obviously वो resources को भी उसका constructive use नहीं करती है technology. So, this is the main root cause for the depletion of resources at the global level. What was the main concern of Gandhiji about resource conservation? Now, what Gandhiji's concern about resource conservation? Gandhiji was very apt in voicing his concern about resource conservation in these words. He said that there is enough for everybody's need and not for anybody's greed. This is a statement said by Gandhiji. Sometimes this statement comes in the question form, and you have this question further justify this statement, elaborate this statement by using such words. A question can be formed and you have to answer that. सो गांधी जी सेड दैट कि हम सब की ज़रूरतों के लिए तो बहुत है, लेकिन हमारी लालच के लिए, हमारी भूख के लिए जो रिसोर्सेज हैं ये कम है. सो वेल सेड दिस स्टेटमेंट वाज. वो कहते हैं जितनी हमारी ज़रूरत है उसके लिए तो हमारे पास रिसोर्सेज बहुत हैं, लेकिन हमारी भूख के लिए वो कम है. सो वी शुड नॉट बी ग्रीडी. He blamed the greedy and selfish individuals and exploitative nature of modern technology as a root cause for the resource depletion at the global level. This is the same point which we have discussed in the question number 5. He was against the mass production and wanted to replace it with the production by the masses. He said that against the mass production, कि हमें उसकी mass production नहीं करनी है, नहीं करनी है resources की. Mass production means हमें उसको ज़्यादा नहीं निकालना चाहिए, बल्कि क्या करना चाहिए, हमें उसे प्रोडक्शन बाय द मासेस, की ज्यादा लोग उसे निकालें. ओनली व्हाट गांधी जी वांट्स टू से दैट कि थोड़ा फ्यू पीपल्स डू दिस जॉब, बट डू एट मास लेवल, डू एट द वेरी ग्रैंड लेवल, कि 4 लोग मिलके काम करते हैं और बहुत सारा रिसोर्स निकाल लेते हैं. एंड गांधी जी कहते थे कि ज्यादा लोग काम करें, क्योंकि जितने ज्यादा इस पे काम करेंगे उतने ज्यादा लोगों के हाथ में वो आएगा ना. फ्यू पीपल के हाथ में नहीं रह जाएगी वो रिसोर्स डेवलपमेंट. रिसोर्सेज क्या करते हैं, कुछ लोगों ने अपनी मोनोपोली बना रखी है, वो रिसोर्सेज निकालते हैं एंड यूज दोस रिसोर्सेज फॉर देयर ओन यूज. बट गांधी जी सेड दैट इफ मोर पीपल विल इंडल्ज, विल इन्वॉल्व इन दैट एक्टिविटी, देन मोर पीपल विल गेट द बेनिफिट. Now, what is the present scenario? Only few people are getting the benefit of that. So, rich become richer, and poor become poorer because they are not getting the benefits. So, Gandhiji's views on this depletion of resources was very correct. India is rich in certain types of resources but deficient in some other resources. Support your statement with examples. This statement said that कि जो इंडिया है वो कई रिसोर्सेज में तो बहुत रिच है और कईयों में बिल्कुल डेफिशिएंट है, उसकी कमी है. हमें इसको जस्टिफाई करना है स्टेटमेंट को. इंडिया हैज इनॉर्मस डाइवर्सिटी in the availability of resources but deficient in some other resources, as Arunachal Pradesh was abundance of water resource but lacks in infrastructural development. Now abundance means in bulk, in grand. अरुणाचल प्रदेश के पास जो वाटर रिसोर्स है वो तो भरपूर है, बहुत है, लेकिन किसकी कमी है? लैक्स इन इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चरल डेवलपमेंट, लेकिन जो उसका इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेवलपमेंट है वो कम है. झारखंड, मध्य प्रदेश एंड छत्तीसगढ़ आर रिच इन मिनरल्स एंड कोल डिपोजिट्स. And all these states, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh, also rich in minerals and coal deposits. Means these states are rich in minerals and coal deposits. The state of Rajasthan is very well endowed with solar and wind energy. Now, wind and solar energy is Rajasthan is full of solar and wind energy, but lacks in water resources. The cold desert of Ladakh has very rich cultural heritage, but it is deficient in water infrastructure and some vital minerals. Gandhi ji says that this आंसर सेज दैट कि जो लद्दाख है वो कोल्ड डेजर्ट है हमारा और कल्चरल हेरिटेज वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा है, लेकिन किसकी कमी है वहाँ पे? वाटर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर और सम वाइटल रिसोर्सेज. वाई इज रिसोर्स प्लानिंग अ कॉम्प्लेक्स प्रोसेस? एक्सप्लेन. What are the 3 stages of resource planning in India? We have discussed this statement in our explanation that कि resource planning 3 stages पे होनी चाहिए कैसे, और ये complex process है, means एक difficult process है, so हमें explain करना है. Resource planning is a complex process which involves identification and inventory of resources across the regions of the country. पहले तो हमें उसको आइडेंटिफाई करना है अक्रॉस द कंट्री कि कहाँ कहाँ कौन कौन से रिसोर्सेज और मिनरल्स पाए जाते हैं. इट इन्वॉल्व सर्वेइंग, और इसमें क्या क्या इन्वॉल्व होता है? सर्वे, मैपिंग, क्वालिटेटिव एंड क्वांटिटेटिव एस्टिमेशन एंड मेजरमेंट ऑफ द रिसोर्सेज. क्वालिटी कैसी है रिसोर्स की, कितनी क्वांटिटी है, एंड ऑल दैट. इवॉल्विंग अ प्लानिंग स्ट्रक्चर endowed with appropriate technology, skill and institutional setup for implementing resource development plans. ये सेकेंड स्टेप है कि हमें प्लानिंग स्ट्रक्चर को बनाना चाहिए और उसमें देखना चाहिए कि अप्रोप्रिएट टेक्नोलॉजी हो, स्किल हो, इंस्टीट्यूशनल सेटअप हो, और जो उसकी इम्प्लीमेंटेशन है, जो उसको लागू करना है, वो भी प्लान्ड हो. मैचिंग द रिसोर्स डेवलपमेंट प्लान्स विद ओवरऑल नेशन वाइड डेवलपमेंट प्लान्स, और जो हमारे डेवलपमेंट प्लान्स होने चाहिए, रिसोर्स डेवलपमेंट प्लान्स होने चाहिए, वो ओवरऑल नेशनल डेवलपमेंट से मैच करने चाहिए कि सिर्फ हमें एक रिसोर्स को ही नहीं डेवलप करना है, हमने ओवरऑल अपने नेशन को डेवलप करना है. सो दीज आर द फ्यू स्टेप्स, 3 steps which we have used for the resource planning, and this is a very complex process. Why is the conservation of resources essential? Explain. Why is it essential to have resource planning? Explain in any 3 reasons. अब ये जरूरी क्यों है कि हम रिसोर्स प्लानिंग करें? Conservation of resources are essential for following reasons. Resources are vital for any developmental activity. Vital means very important. किसी भी डेवलपमेंट एक्टिविटी के लिए रिसोर्सेज बहुत ज़रूरी हैं. Irrational consumption and over utilization. Irrational means illogically, जो हम लोग बेधाक यूज कर लेते हैं, बिना यूज मतलब कि यूज कंज्यूम कर रहे हैं अपने रिसोर्सेज को, वो नहीं होना चाहिए. उसकी ओवर यूटिलाइजेशन नहीं होनी चाहिए. इससे क्या होगा? may लीड टू सोशियो इकोनॉमिक एंड एनवायरमेंटल प्रॉब्लम्स. इससे हमें सोशल प्रॉब्लम भी आएगी, इकोनॉमिक भी आएगी और एनवायरमेंटल प्रॉब्लम भी आएगी. Resources are overexploited by some greedy and selfish individuals. I have discussed this also कि resources are overexploited, क्योंकि जब कुछ few hands में ये resources आ जाते हैं तो वो उसको overexploit करते हैं, overutilize करते हैं for their own greed and selfishness. To overcome these problems, resources conservation at various levels is important. तो हमें इन प्रॉब्लम्स से बचने के लिए रिसोर्स प्लानिंग करनी चाहिए. सो दिस इज ऑल फॉर टुडेज लेक्चर. I just want to give a question, just to make you creative. Just try to write the answer of this question. For example, if there is no fuel in your district, in your area for one day, कहीं भी आपके एरिया में आपको एक दिन के लिए ऑयल नहीं मिलेगा, फ्यूल नहीं मिलेगा, किसी पेट्रोल पंप में, किसी शॉप में, किसी रेस्टोरेंट में, just imagine the situation, the problems we will face on that day, and what will be the solution of that problem. Okay students, this is all for today's video. Have a great day.